Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make roasted chicken with vegetables. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First we're gonna see our ingredients. I have here 4 pieces of chicken. You can use any part of the chicken in this recipe. Some cut vegetables, potatoes, tomato, bell peppers, onions, and carrots. You can add any kind of vegetables you like. A quarter cup of olive oil, 2 big spoons of mustard, lemon zest, 1 big spoon of tomato sauce, a juice of half lemon, 1 spoon of sumac, half spoon of 7 spices, small spoon of black pepper, half spoon of dry thyme, half spoon of oregano, half spoon of dry mint, and some salt. These are our ingredients, and now let's prepare our meal. First we're gonna season the chicken. With a knife, make some holes in the chicken pieces. Then in a bowl, add the olive oil, the lemon zest, the mustard, the spices, the lemon juice, and mix all together. After that, season the chicken pieces with our mixture. Cover it up and put it on the fridge for 2 hours. The same time we're gonna seasoning our vegetables, and we're gonna use the same spices that we add over the chicken with the olive oil. The 7 spices, the oregano, the mint, the thyme, etc., and mix all together. After that, put the vegetables on the oven tray and put over it the chicken pieces, then in a small bowl put the tomato sauce, add over it hot water, mix it up, then add it over our chicken and vegetables. In an oven with 200 degrees from below, put the tray in it and leave it cooking for around 1 hour and a half. Finally, this is our recipe: roasted chicken with vegetables. My friends, if you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.